Okay, I got a slag here that I found, pinned by Steel Pinnings. The key doesn't want to turn the lock, which, don't mean nothing. Could have been pinned up wrong when, I can't remember if Steel Pinnings sent it to me or someone else, so could have been pinned up wrong from somebody else. It's got a lot of flop in it. So let's see if May can at least pick it open. And then I'll see if I can fix the key. Turn it back up a little bit more. Well, it's open. So even if the key don't work, it is pickable. So let's crack this baby open. Let's make sure that it is open. Yes, it is. Let's crack it open. And let's see. Man, I gotta clean this table off. That's all there is to it. I gotta send some standard locks out to some of the lock makers. Where's my follower? Nope, nope. Nope. Well, this one may work. Well, that might explain why the key doesn't work. Oh, there's a wafer in there. That might explain why the key doesn't work. Let's dump these out here. Let's start at the beginning.
Make tomorrow awesome with Xfinity Internet from Comcast. Call 1-800-653-9090 today. Do what you love online with Xfinity Internet for only $19.99 a month for 12 months. Xfinity Internet delivers the speed you need to surf, stream, and download. Plus, with Constant Guard by Xfinity, your family will get unmatched online security, and it's included at no additional cost. Call 1-800-653-9090 today and get speed, security, and value from Xfinity for an amazing price. Xfinity also delivers the fastest in-home Wi-Fi. So get started with Xfinity Internet for just $19.99 a month for 12 months. It's all backed by
Let's go up top and then I'm going to look at the plug here a little more.
low price from Xfinity. Call 1-800-653-9090.
Serrated.
653-9090. Xfinity, the future of awesome.
pin and pin. Okay, I bet that was a drunken spool. That's why that wiper was up there. Two. One's still stuck in there. Three. Four. One is still stuck in here. See if I can get it out. Yep. Let's see if we're threaded. Two, 4. Okay, feels like 2 and 4 is threaded. And then the plug. It's flattened, which I don't think it came that way. And then you can see this taken out. Feels like 4 is threaded for sure. Okay. Alright. Well, here's this SC1 from Steel Pinnings. Close up of the pins here. Pretty good pins, pretty good looking pins, especially the pin and pin and the drunken spool and then the T-pin key pin and then the serrated spools. Alright, Steel Pinnings, thanks for the luck. It got put behind some others, but I found it and got her picked. Alright everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Have a good one guys, thanks. Let's see what else we can do.